Hello friends, and welcome back to Code and Create Python in 30 Days series. We had started loops in Python and now we'll see while loop in Python. There's a specific difference between these two loops. Previously we had seen for loop and in today's lecture we'll see while loop. So let's find out what is while, what is syntax and what we can do with this while loop. So let's see the syntax for while loop. Firstly, we'll have to use the keyword while. Then we'll have to provide a condition. So to provide a condition, we need a variable. So we have to declare that variable. So consider I is our variable and we give it a specific value like 10, or if we consider 1. So then I'll have to provide a condition till which, unless that condition gets false, the loop will run. So we'll provide a condition like I is less than 10. Then we'll add a colon, and in this space after the indentation we'll have to give the actual code that is going to execute. So if we are printing I, so what will this code structure will do? It will print I unless and until this condition gets false. So in case if we run this code, you can see the loop is continuously printing 1 as the condition is true for a lifetime. So there is a need of proper looping and a constraint. So we'll add a constraint that there is an increment in I by 1. So what we'll do, we'll just print it, and you can see the while loop ran from 1 to 9 for this condition. Unless and until this condition gets false, the loop will remain to be printing the value of I. After this while loop, we'll see two operations in this while. We have started a counter as I equal to 1 and we have given a condition in value that I is less than 6. So this loop will print I, and there is a condition, that is if I is equal to 3, we'll have to break the loop. So the loop will break as soon as it reaches this condition. You can see the loop has been broken. Similarly, if we use continue instead of break, the loop will continue to print the values of I, but it will skip the value 3. You can see the 3 is not getting printed here. So it continued, or it passed the value of I equal to 3 on this specific stage and then continue to print the further values. So this was all about the while loops in Python. You can use while and then true as a condition to continuously run a specific code, such as a calculator which is continuously taking outputs and inputs from users. So this was all about the while loop. Till then, keep coding. We'll meet in the next one. Thank you.